Pickleball paddles. Are you looking for the pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at 5 of the pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. The Selkirk Sport Vanguard Pickleball Paddle series offers 3 distinct options: Vanguard Power Air, Vanguard Pro, and Vanguard Control, each designed to meet different playing styles and preferences. These paddles feature carbon fiber construction, providing excellent durability, power, and precision for players at all levels. Vanguard Power Air is optimized for power hitters, featuring an extended carbon fiber face that enhances ball rebound and spin. It is designed with 360 proto-molding technology, which improves the paddle's rigidity and consistency across its surface, ensuring maximum power on every strike. The flex foam perimeter adds cushioning to the paddle's edge, increasing comfort and reducing the risk of mishits. This paddle is ideal for players looking to generate more speed and force in their shots. The Vanguard Pro strikes a balance between control and power. It offers a responsive feel with excellent ball control while maintaining enough power for aggressive plays. The 360 proto-molding technology improves touch and consistency, making it suitable for players who want to dictate rallies with a more strategic approach. The Vanguard Control is perfect for players who prioritize precision and soft touches. It features the same carbon fiber face and flex foam perimeter, but its design focuses on maximizing control during placement shots and dinking. This option is ideal for players who prefer a slower game and need greater accuracy in their shots. In summary, the Selkirk Sport Vanguard pickleball paddles offer elite performance with carbon fiber construction, 360 proto-molding, and flex foam perimeter for durability, comfort, and power or control, depending on the paddle you choose. They are designed for players seeking advanced features to elevate their game. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is designed for players who want a balanced combination of power and control. Offering advanced technology and high-quality materials, the Radical Elite is perfect for intermediate to advanced players seeking a responsive and versatile paddle. One of the standout features of the Radical Elite is its graphite hitting surface, which provides a lightweight, durable structure that enhances ball control and spin. This surface allows players to execute a variety of shots, from fast drives to precise dinks, with great accuracy. The paddle's ergo grip ensures a comfortable and secure hold. It is designed to reduce vibration, making it ideal for long matches and offering minimal hand fatigue. This ergonomic handle helps players maintain control and comfort, even during extended play sessions. The advanced polypropylene core provides a great balance of power and control. It allows for excellent energy transfer, making it easier to hit powerful shots while maintaining consistency during rallies. This core technology also reduces the likelihood of mishits, giving players more confidence with each swing. Weighing in at 8 ounces, the Head Radical Elite offers an ideal weight range for players who want a balance of power and control, providing excellent maneuverability without sacrificing strength. The paddle is designed for quick reactions and precision, allowing players to transition smoothly between different types of shots. In summary, the Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle offers a highly responsive, balanced design with a graphite hitting surface, advanced polypropylene core, and ergo grip for comfort and performance. It is a perfect choice for players looking to improve their game with a durable, versatile paddle that can handle any playing style. Number 3. Onix Graphite Z5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 pickleball paddle combines graphite and carbon fiber technology to deliver a high-performance paddle ideal for players who demand precision, control, and power in their game. This paddle is specifically designed to enhance the playing experience for intermediate to advanced players. The paddle features a graphite face that provides a lightweight yet durable surface, improving ball control and spin. The use of carbon fiber technology further enhances the paddle's stiffness and energy transfer, resulting in powerful shots while maintaining great accuracy. The thin edge guard adds to the overall aerodynamic design, ensuring that the paddle performs efficiently without excess weight or drag. One of the standout features of the Mod Z5 is its cushion comfort grip, which is designed to provide a comfortable and secure hold during play. The grip helps reduce vibration and fatigue, ensuring better control and feel with every shot. It is ideal for players who want a soft and ergonomic feel without sacrificing performance. The paddle's Onix honeycomb core provides excellent control and power by offering consistent ball responsiveness across the surface. The core helps absorb shock and offers an ideal balance between speed and precision. With its balanced weight, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is suitable for players who seek quick maneuverability combined with the ability to deliver hard-hitting shots. Whether you're executing dinks, drives, or smashes, this paddle offers versatility and precision across all playstyles. In summary, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 offers a premium blend of graphite and carbon fiber, a cushion comfort grip, and an Onix honeycomb core, providing players with a paddle that delivers precision, power, and comfort. It's a great choice for those looking to elevate their game with a well-rounded and responsive paddle. Number 4. JOOLA Ben John's Perseus 3S. The JOOLA Ben John's Perseus 3S pickleball paddle is a high-performance paddle designed in collaboration with top professional player Ben Johns. This paddle is built for players seeking precision, power, and a larger sweet spot to elevate their game. It features advanced technologies such as propulsion core, charged carbon surface technology, and an NFC chip for added functionality. One of the key features of the Perseus 3S is its propulsion core, which provides an optimal balance of control and power. This core ensures consistent energy transfer, delivering greater responsiveness on every shot, making it perfect for players who want precision in dinking, while still being able to execute powerful drives. The charged carbon surface technology adds another layer of innovation, enhancing spin and ball control. The carbon surface maximizes durability while maintaining a lightweight profile, offering a superior feel for both aggressive and finesse shots. This is especially important for players who rely on spin to control the ball during rallies. The paddle's elongated body shape increases its sweet spot, providing more forgiveness on off-center hits. This design helps improve accuracy and power while minimizing the impact of mishits. The larger sweet spot makes this paddle more forgiving for players still mastering their technique, while also catering to advanced players looking for precision and control. Additionally, the NFC chip embedded in the paddle offers a modern interactive feature, allowing users to easily access information about the paddle and its capabilities. In summary, the JOOLA Ben John's Perseus 3S pickleball paddle combines innovative technology, superior materials, and a larger sweet spot to create a highly responsive, durable, and versatile paddle. It's an excellent choice for players seeking advanced performance with cutting-edge features. Number 5. Tangerine Santorini. The Tangerine pickleball paddle is a vibrant and high-performance paddle designed for players seeking elite power, accuracy, and style. Its striking design combines vivid colors with a fiberglass surface and a lightweight honeycomb core, making it a versatile option for both novice and professional players. The fiberglass surface offers a great balance of power and control, providing enhanced ball spin and accurate shots during rallies. This surface is designed to maximize ball responsiveness, helping players execute both hard-hitting drives and precise dinks with ease. The fiberglass construction also ensures that the paddle remains durable while maintaining a lightweight feel, making it easier for players to react quickly and maintain control during fast-paced games. The honeycomb core is at the heart of the paddle's performance, offering optimal balance between power and accuracy. The core design reduces vibration and enhances shock absorption, providing a comfortable feel and allowing players to maintain consistent control throughout their game. The Tangerine pickleball paddle is USAPA approved, ensuring it meets the regulatory standards for official play. This approval makes it an excellent choice for players participating in competitive matches or tournaments. Weighing in at a lightweight specification, this paddle is ideal for players who prefer easy maneuverability without compromising on power or precision. Whether you are just starting out or looking to upgrade your equipment, the Tangerine paddle provides the versatility, control, and performance needed for any player to excel. In summary, the Tangerine Pickleball paddle offers a fiberglass surface, honeycomb core, and vibrant design that makes it an ideal choice for players seeking elite performance, whether for novice play or professional competition.